Hello there! Today we start a series about Arduino Uno. I will show you not only all connections and code, but also possible ways of using those. Let's begin! First project is quite simple. There will be no code, just the basics of Arduino Uno board itself. Let's start with the way Arduino Uno board is built. As you can see, here you have analog pins, then V-in, pin that is used to power up Arduino board, two grounds that are used to close all circuits. Then you have 5 volts that you will use to power the breadboard. And then 3.3 volts, you can use that also to power some things, reset pin, and the last one that is not gonna be used for most of the time. On the other side you have digital pins, another ground, and 3 ports that won't be used for now. Then you have breadboard. As you can see, it is divided in sections. Here the wire goes like this, for plus and minus. So if you connect something here, it will close the circuit for something here. Then you have those rows. In here, the wires go like this. Bang. So placing something in space A1 will close the circuit for something in E1, as well as B7, D7, and so on and so on. It will come in handy in future applications. First project requires only a couple of things. Now for the connections. As you can see, I connected all the wires, and here we go, like 5 volts to plus, then plus goes for LED diode, then it gets connected to resistor, to be specific 220 ohms resistor, then it goes to ground, and back to ground in here. Now, this circuit is quite simple, and as you can see, when I power it up through a cable to my computer, the LED shines. Well, now it's much more visible. And after disconnecting the power, it stops shining. So, as you can see, it's the most basic circuit. You have power source, you have resistor, and you have LED diode, which is allowed. Today's lesson is going to be quite short, as there is no code needed. See you soon!